Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over our directions for our persuasive writing assignment for today. So, your options, you need to highlight the topic that you would like to create your persuasive writing centered around. So that is either college football during a pandemic, trophy hunting, or self-driving cars. You're going to use persuasive techniques such as ethos, pathos, and logos to write a response to the article option you read. Students should research and find one other credible source to support their persuasive writing. This source must be from a reliable and credited author or publisher. The chosen source should be cited in MLA format and used in the final citation page as well as with in-text citations. So I have already provided the MLA format citation and in-text citations for all of the article options that you've read. So here are the two for college football. Here are the two for trophy hunting. And then here is the one that we read from self-driving cars. So on top of those, you need to find one of your choice to pair with your side of your argument. So let's say you don't like self-driving cars. You're going to need to find another article that says why self-driving cars are no good. If you think that trophy hunting is a great idea, you need to find another article explaining why trophy hunting is a great idea. And you're going to create the MLA format citation using EasyBib just like we were doing before. And you're going to put your MLA in-text citation then over in this side, just like in these above. Just like that. All right. Then you're going to use the chart provided to map out the techniques you'll be using in your persuasive response, either to support or oppose your views related to driverless vehicles, college football during a pandemic, or trophy hunting. You will use a minimum of 7 persuasive techniques, at least one of each type. So you need at least one of ethos, pathos, and logos, but you can have multiple logos, multiple ethos, multiple pathos, but you need one of each, and then 7 total. And these will be used in your writing. So you could paraphrase, you can quote, you can summarize, but just remember you'll be using this kind of information in the way that you are suggesting. So let's say you find a statistic in your article that you really like and you want to quote it, you would put the quote in this side and then tell me you're using it as a logos argument in this column. Your response will be a minimum of 20 sentences. It should have 1 introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and 1 conclusion. Now, once again, that is just guidance. The 20 sentences is the minimum. However, you can write more than 20 sentences. Also, you might divide your paragraphs up differently. You might have 5 paragraphs by the end of it, and that is also fine. It's just my suggestion to make it easiest that you set it up in that manner, but you will need an introduction and you will need a conclusion. Thesis statement. So a thesis statement is a full sentence that tells the reader what they will learn in your writing. It includes an introductory statement, followed by because, and then your first argument, which would be prong 1, which is your strong argument, then prong 2, which is your weaker argument, and then prong 3, which is your strongest argument. So for example, if I was writing a persuasive essay about why Mountain Dew is better than Mellow Yellow, I would say I believe that Mountain Dew is a better soda than Mellow Yellow because it has a higher level of caffeine, it contains less calories, and it has received more awards in nationwide conducted taste tests. So in your 20-sentence response that you're going to put right here, you're going to create an introduction, a conclusion, and body paragraphs surrounded around your side of the argument for your topic, including a thesis statement in your introduction that would follow this pattern as mapped out here. Alrighty guys, that is all the information for this assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in person or to send me an email. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.